If you're trying to make better espresso at home or just bought your first espresso machine, these accessories can improve your coffee without breaking the bank. Today, I'm breaking down the 4 must-have espresso tools that I'm using every day and every home barista should own. These simple upgrades will boost your consistency, improve your shots, and honestly, make the whole process way more enjoyable. Let's start with the most important tool, a coffee scale. If you're not measuring your dose and yield, you're guessing. An espresso is not forgiving when it comes to guesswork. A proper espresso shot starts with a precise ratio, like 1 to 2. That means if you're using 18 grams of ground coffee, you want about 36 grams of espresso in your cup. Without a scale, you'll never know if you've under-extracted or over-extracted. Even a 1 to 2 gram difference can totally change the taste, so trust the numbers. Look for a scale that's fast, accurate to 0.1, and small enough to fit on your drip tray while you pull the shot. And if it has a timer built in, it's even better. Next up is the dosing funnel, and trust me, this is a game changer for your workflow. You place it right on top of your portafilter before grinding. It acts like a little guardrail to keep every bit of coffee where it belongs, in the basket. No more coffee flying everywhere. No more tapping the sides, trying to keep it all in. It makes the process cleaner, quicker, and less stressful. And since you're not losing any ground, you're keeping your dose consistent too. They're super affordable and come in different sizes to fit your portafilter, not to mention that you need it for the next tool as well. Number 3 is the WDT Tool, which stands for the Vice Distribution Technique. If you've ever had sour or bitter espresso, or weak spots in your puck, this tool is for you. After grinding, use the WDT tool to gently stir the grounds in your portafilter. What it does is break up clumps and evenly distribute the coffee, so there are no air pockets or dense zones. That means your water flows evenly through the puck, and it reduces the chance of channeling, giving you a more balanced and flavorful shot. There are so many different WDT tools, ranging from a few dollars to a few $100s, but even the cheapest one can help. It's one of the most effective ways to improve your extraction. Finally, don't underestimate the power of a proper tamper. An even tamp is the key to getting a good espresso. And if you're still using that plastic one that came with your machine, it's time to upgrade. A good tamper should feel solid and comfortable in your hand. It should fit your basket snugly so you can apply even pressure edge to edge. I strongly suggest getting a self-leveling tamper. They're more comfortable and can give you a flat surface every time with almost no effort. An uneven tamping leads to channeling, where water finds the easiest path through your coffee, skipping parts of the puck and ruining your shot. It's a small change that makes a huge difference in taste and crema. So, if you're serious about pulling better shots at home, these are the 4 tools I'd recommend starting with. They don't need to be flashy and expensive to work, and you can find great options these days. I've put a link with some good and affordable selections in the description section if you want to check them out. With these tools, you'll taste the difference, I promise. Let me know in the comments. Do you already use any of these? Which one made the biggest impact for you? And if you found this helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and check out my next video for more home barista tips.